surprise teacher. Pete is ready for school. Where is Mom? Pete asks. She has a surprise for you, says Pete's dad. Pete goes to school. His mom is there. What a surprise! Hi class, I am Mrs. Cat, says Pete's mom. I am the substitute teacher, Mrs. Cat. I will need your help today, says Pete's mom. What do we do first? Mrs. Cat. Art, says Pete. Yeah, says the class. The class line up. Pete's mom leads the line. Is this art? Asked Pete's mom. Gym. Boing. This is not art. This is gym. Stay and play, says the gym teacher. The class plays. Gym is fun with more kids, says Pete. Gym is over. Pete's mom takes the class to art. Music. La la la. This is not art. This is music. Stay and sing, says the music teacher. The class sings. We are louder with more kids, says Pete. Rumble. Pete is hungry. Time for lunch. This is not the lunchroom. This is the playground. Let's have a picnic, says Pete. Now it is time for art, says Pete's mom. Everyone cheers. Pete leads the class. Is this art? Asks Pete's mom. Art. It is. Lots of kids are making art. Oh no, says the art teacher. It is too late to join us. The day is almost over. Art is cool. That's a good apron. The class goes to their classroom. I know, says Pete. Let's make art here, he says. Okay, says Pete's mom. Pete calls a huddle. Whisper, whisper. The class plans a surprise. Pete draws. Collie makes paper cat. Everyone helps. Surprise, says Pete. The class made art for Pete's mom. Thank you, Mrs. Cat, says the class. We had a great day with you. Sometimes a different day is an awesome day. Oral vocabulary. Substitute, different, music, playground, lunchroom, classroom, everyone, almost. Huddle, whisper, awesome, teacher. Spelling, letter Y. Play, say, day, okay, and stay. No.
Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open a Rhymesville toy and it costs $39. And this is my prize for getting good grades at my school. So let's open. Now we're gonna open it. This is our final destiny. Okay, this is gonna be the best part. Wait. Okay. Okay.
Get it?
No, it's a... Okay. Oh, Alpha Alexa. Okay.
Oh, what is it?
I think it's sand. But we'll open that up later. Okay.
What is that?
A hammer.
A hammer.
Okay.
Because they want to see. Is there coloring?
No way.
What is that? Is that Ryan?
Yeah, I think.
So, what is that for?
Okay. It says it's Mo, Gus, Mo, Ryan, and Gus.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Is that how you're supposed to do it? Oh,
Mo, you are
what is it?
Mo.
It's Mo. Oh, is that like
Here's pizza. A hand. A video game controller.
be gentle? Is that Ryan sticker?
Kung Fu Ryan.
Okay.
Okay. Ryan.
What is it?
That's him.
That's him?
Okay, we have Mo and Ryan.
Oh, there's a big one here. You didn't even open yet.
Oh yeah.
It's the big one. Two of them, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Glasses.
Is that 3D glasses?
Yeah. Okay, I'll use that. Okay.
Put it aside.
Wait. Wait. It said building Ryan, so
Whoa.
okay.
Is it an airplane bag?
Yeah. I'll use the key.
Yeah, just snap it. Yeah. Okay, kids. Show it to them all.
3, 2, 1, blast off! And Mama. Woo!
That's it?
No. It says final one. Wait.
There's a secret in there.
No.
There's a hiding place. No, right here.
Wait. What? I know. Oh, Mom.
Take the sticker out.
There's tape.
And then put that key.
There's tape, Mom.
Here. I got it. Walter, right here.
Take it off.
Okay, take it out. And put your key in there. Whoa!
Mom, gold. Wait. What happens if we open that?
Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's the lock.
Oh. Mom, what? One.
Let me see.
One.
$5.
$5.
$5.
10.
$10.
10. Another 10. 20.
$20.
20.
So how much do you have? Can you count it?
Okay. So let's start. Okay. Let's start with the ones. 3.
Do you want to line up on the table?
So 3.
Line them up. Mommy will line them up, okay?
3.
Right here. Get 3. 3. And then the 5.
Okay. And then 5. And then the 10s. And then the 20.
Another 20s there.
Another 20. Okay. 3. So 1, 2, 3.
And then 3, 5.
What's 3 plus 15? Oh, 18 plus 10. So that's 28.
38.
38. 48. So 48 plus 20. 48 plus 20. 68.
Yeah, 68.
68. 78.
78.
78. 88.
88.
So the total is 88.
Oh, 60, 70, 80, 90. Walter, you get 90. 100. You have 108.
$108? Treasure.
Treasure. Is it a gold one? Let me see. Is it a coin?
Red gem. Blue gem. A coin.
Is it a gold coins?
So this.
Oh, you got a silver. A gold.
Oh, so this is nickel.
Nickel. And then you get a gold one.
$1. Enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you're a big fan of Ryan. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time on Walter's Art Show. Bye.
So name it. What are they?
I think now. So these are sands and this is circle things. It is a hammer, gold, cash,
Yeah, the money.
and Ryan and Moan,
Are they figure?
Ryan and Mo, red jewel, purple jewel, and blue jewel. A coin, another coin, another coin. I think
Sticker. A tattoo.
I think tattoo. 3D glasses.
Good job. Yung,
The robot. Roar.
then it can change, right, bud?
Yep.
All right. So you have something you can say?
So kids, I hope you enjoy seeing this. But for now, bye.
Bye.
Oh yeah, kids. But for now, bye.